In this video, we are going to demonstrate the flexible quantities feature when estimating. Let's start by understanding what flexible quantities mean. In Builder's Excellence, your purchasing power is limited to the estimated quantity. For example, if you estimated 20 light switches, your team cannot purchase more than 20 without raising a variation. The cost per item can change and will be reflected that you have overspent in the job budget. You can purchase less volume, but not more. This provides security that you don't buy more than you expected without creating an adjustment or variation. If the exact quantity is not known at the time of estimating, there are two features you can use: flexible quantities or use allowances. Flexible quantities is a simple feature that enables you to purchase more than the quantity estimated without raising variations or adjustments. For example, tiles. Allowances are generally used to purchase one or many items, where the product is not known at the stage of estimating. For example, a single allowance can be used for multiple kitchen appliances. In this example, we are going to estimate using flexible quantities feature with tiles. We will start from the Add Recipe widget and edit a BOQ item. This is a very simple feature to enable. Just select the flexible quantity checkbox. We are using general materials, as we haven't decided on the specific tile yet. We believe it's around 200 boxes, with an average cost of $60 each. Now let's save our estimate and assume that contract has been approved. Let's now jump into the purchasing process. At this point, I'm going to select my supplier. We can select the specific tile product or add a new product. Our first purchase order will be for 180 boxes by default. The unit cost used is the cost from the contract item, but you can modify the cost by unticking this checkbox and update the cost. The cost may vary depending on your supplier. Now let's assume we needed to buy more. We are going to select the item again from the purchase pipeline and create a second order. As we've already raised the first purchase order, the product is now locked. We are going to purchase another 30 boxes from the same supplier. This takes the total quantity to 210 boxes of tiles, which exceeds the estimated quantity. It also exceeds the budget. This triggers an alert, so I can make an informed decision if I need to raise a variation. In this example, we'll assume we will need to purchase the tiles to complete the works agreed and update the supplier and unit cost. As this item has been marked as flexible quantities, I can proceed and raise the purchase order. Watch the purchasing video to learn more about this process. Flexible quantities can be selected when building the estimate, or you can update a contract item at the purchasing stage, then update it to flexible quantities. Contract items can be accessed from the contract or job, but you can also access the contract item from the purchase order widget. Here you have two link icons. The first is linked to the BOQ item, and the second link is to the contract item. Click on this to open the record. Once the record is open, go to the Track and Features tab and select the Flexible Quantity feature. As you can see, this one is already ticked. If you go to Quantities tab on the side panel, there's a field called Flexible Quantity Increase. This will display the extra quantities purchased above the quantity sold. This field will be automatically updated each time a purchase is created, deleted, or canceled.